Father, mapapatawad po ba ako kahit ilang buwan na akong hindi nagsisimba?
Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa katanungan na ito na hango mismo sa mga comments ng ating mga audience sa mga nakaraang kasagutan. This question reminds me of Jesus' assurance in our gospel reading last Sunday, May 3, the 5th Sunday of Easter, which is taken from the Gospel of John. Jesus said, "Do not let your hearts be troubled. You have faith in God, have faith also in me. In my Father's house, there are many dwelling places." Sa aking pagkakaunawa, this is Jesus' assurance of God's will that we all end up in heaven. Walang kaluluwa na ninanais ang Diyos na mapawalay sa Kanya na mapunta sa impyerno. Because of this, despite our negligence and sinfulness, according to Cardinal Tagle, God continues to hope in us. Patuloy na umaasa ang Diyos na tayo muling bumalik sa Kanyang piling. Thus, if you're asking if God can still forgive despite na ilang months ka na di nagsisimba, the answer is yes. Yes, if you humbly acknowledge that before the Lord in the sacrament of confession and ask for pardon. Ang ating Ama sa Langit ay hindi magsasawang magpatawad sa atin if in all humility we're asking for it. Kaya nga sinabi ni Jesus kay Pedro, forgive 70 times, 7 times. Ibig sabihin, ang awa ng Diyos ay walang hanggan. Of course, kailangan din magkaroon ng firm resolve to amend our lives and never to tread that same sinful and negligent path again. Huwag tayong matakot na dumulog sa Diyos at humingi ng tawad at magsumikap na palaging magsimba with full, conscious, and active participation.